Ever shot a great video and realize it looks blurry, pixelated, or low-res? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to enhance your video quality using AI with just a few clicks. In this video, we're using AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI, our AI-powered video upscaling tool. Whether you shoot with your phone, webcam, or older camera, or you want to enhance old home videos, upscale anime clips, AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI is designed to deliver professional-grade results with one click. Here's how to fix your blurry video in just a few steps. Step 1. Import your video. Step 2. Choose the preset. Here we select upscale to 4K. You can also choose the output resolution, like 4K or 8K, and increase the FPS from here. Step 3. Choose the Ultra model and face enhancement. Adjust the enhancement level according to your needs. Step 4. Adjust the video settings. Step 5. Click Preview and check the result. Look! Clearer skin tones, sharper edges, and just a way more professional look. Perfect for content creators or anyone who wants to make their videos look crisp, clear, and modern. No editing skills required. Step 6. Start processing and let the AI work its magic. If you want your videos to look as good as they deserve, try AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. Hit the link in the description to download it and give your footage a second chance. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.